Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Zonic NFT exchange. Now you've probably heard of Blur and OpenSea, but the great thing about Zonic is that it's already compatible with many Ethereum layer 2s, including ones that haven't yet released tokens like Linea, Scroll, Base, and others. And so you can use this NFT marketplace to buy and sell NFTs and also potentially qualify for airdrops from these layer 2s. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Zonic by trading NFTs on the Scroll network. But here you can see on this tab, you can choose exactly which network you want to trade on, and then it will automatically show you which NFTs are available in that network. So for starters, what you're going to want to do is go to zonic.app and connect your Web3 wallet. So in this case, I'm using MetaMask, but you can use whatever you want. Now, once you're connected and you've chosen your network, there's a few ways that you can do this. You can look at the top collections in terms of how much volume they're moving, or you can actually search for collections in the search bar. Now, in this case, since I'm just trying to buy a couple of NFTs for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to pick something random and cheap. So for example, you can see here that we've got this Scroll Punks NFT collection and the floor is 0.0001 ETH. So it only costs a couple of cents. So let's check out this collection. Now you can see that this looks very similar to something like OpenSea, and it's quite intuitive. All you do is scroll through, select which NFT you want to purchase, and then confirm the transaction. So let's say I wanted to buy this Scroll Punk for 15 cents. I would click on it, I would hit buy now, and then I'm gonna have to confirm the transaction in my Web3 wallet. And so this is gonna cost me 33 cents total, 15 cents for the NFT, and then the rest is on gas fees. So let me confirm this transaction. Okay, it's successfully completed. So now I am the proud owner of this NFT, and if I go over here to my NFTs, I will be able to see what I have. Now, the great thing about Zonic is that it automatically detects your NFTs across all of these different layer 2 networks. So it already recognizes that I have one NFT on the Zora layer 2, as well as one on the Base layer 2, and of course this new NFT that I've just purchased right here. Now, if we take a look at this NFT that I just purchased, let's say that I wanted to sell it, I would hit the sell NFT button, I would set the price, and I would select how long I want my listing to go live, and then I would list the item. Now in this case, it's going to subtract the fees. The marketplace fee is 2.5% and the creator fee is 10%, which is actually very high. So this isn't exactly a collection that I'm buying to try and flip for money, but it only costs 15 cents, so who cares? So I'll put this listing knowing full well that it will never sell. It's gonna cost me another 4 cents in transaction fees. Okay, and so now my listing is live. You can see exactly how that works. If I wanted to, I can cancel the listing, I can lower the price, or I can also transfer the NFT to another wallet if I wanted to do that. Going back to the Explore page, this is where we would find other collections. And so if you're trying to qualify for airdrops on Linea, on Scroll, then you're gonna want to go through the NFT selections, maybe make a couple of transactions. It doesn't even have to be for a lot of money, just to show that you're active on the network and to create that transaction history. And you're gonna want to do that across a couple of these different layer 2s, the ones that have not yet released an airdrop. So for example, Linea, Scroll, Base, who knows, but zkSync also for sure. So yeah, that is how you use the Zonic NFT marketplace to make trades across all of the different Ethereum layer 2s. Hopefully you found this useful and have a great day.